Welcome back, guys. How are you today? Hope everyone's good. Hope you know why you're here. How did you find me? I'm always curious. I've started seeing people from California, all kinds of different states are watching, different countries are watching. That's pretty neat. That makes me feel pretty good. All right, this is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, module 4, lesson 7. We're on page 37 and 38 today. As you can see, I was going too fast, ripping my page out, so there's a little tape down here. We all make mistakes sometimes. Not a big deal. It happens. We're just going to move on. All right, add. Use the place value disk and write in vertical form. All right. The place value disks are my favorite way to do addition, subtraction. I'll tell you what, you can even use it for multiplication, and you can use it for division. You really need to take your time and good at your place values, because your place value chart, it's not always going to be called disks, but you're going to use this place value chart. I'm teaching fourth grade now. You're in second grade. I use this in fourth grade with my students all the time. So this is really important to get to know. All right, let's look at what we have. We have 229 plus 153. All right, so let's look. 229. 2 hundreds, 2 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, there's our 9. So that's our top number. Let's check our bottom number, make sure it's right. 1 in the 100, 5 in the tens, and 3 in the ones. All right, so let's add them together. When we're adding together, we want to look and see if we can make any groups of 10 first. Well, we had 9 here to begin with, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if we had one more to that, we have 10. So we're going to make our lasso here, as one of my colleagues says. Loop around all of these. Make sure you looped around them and bring one more over and put another 10. Now, how many do we have left here? There is 2 left that we didn't circle, right? 1, 2. Okay, let's look at our next one. Now we want to see, now we have 10s. We have our one we drew here. So let's count and see if we have more than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We don't. We only have 8. So put your 8 down. And then on this side, we have 1, 2, 3. 3. That's it. Our 3 right there. So guys, that's the answer. That's why I love this place value chart. I mean, it says place value disks. It's on the place value chart because this our ones go here, our tens go here, and our hundreds go here when we're adding these together. All right. And parents, if you're out there, here's how it looks the same as when we do it. I learned the old way where you stack everything on top. So if I go 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12, I put my 2 here and I put my 1 up here. That's the same as when we circle a group of 10 here and bring it over here. This and this are the same thing. So we keep adding. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Look at that. Same answer, same way. Parents, I'm telling you, this is the way to do it. If you can get this down and make sure your kid gets this for the next few years for math, this is really going to help them get a great base knowledge and understand how to do a lot of things. I'm telling you, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division can all be done using this. I promise. I'm doing it with my fourth graders now. All right, on our next one, we have 395 plus 106. Yes, this ripped paper is really bothering me. Okay, I'm not going to finish this one with you. You saw how we did it up here. I want you to do it here. Remember, if you find a group of 10, circle it, bring it over. If you want, you could cross out and go 1. If you want to cross out, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then write your 10 over here, and then just look at the 2 you have left. Okay, now that I said that, I have to do it down here because that's me. All right, you're getting a bonus one again today. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We didn't check to make sure we had the right number first. Let's do that first because we didn't draw these. Let's make sure they're not messing with us. So right here, 395. 3 hundredths. Here's our hundredths. Here's our tens. And here's our ones. So in the hundredths, we have 3. 1, 2, 3. And the tens, we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in the ones, we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, check the next one. We have 1 in the hundredths, 1, 0 in the tens, and 6 in the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So let's count these up again. Make sure we got see if we got 10 or more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so let's get rid of 10. I like to start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I'm going to draw my 10 over there. How many do I have left? 1. Okay, let's count these now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 10. All right. We add 10, we counted 10, but count them again, we cross them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So write that 10 over here. And now you have 0 left here. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5. Put the 5 there. All right. Let's show the standard algorithm way. I call it OPM, old people math, because this is how I learned it. Students think it's funny when I call it old people math. If that helps them remember it and they think it's funny, I have no problems with that. All right. So we have 5 plus 6. What's 5 plus 6? 11. 1 here, 1 here. That 1 here, there it is again, kids, parents, everyone out there. That's this 10 right there that we brought over right here, right here. We see when we brought it over, all right? So 9 plus 1 plus 0 is 10, so we put our 0 here, our 1 here. Look, there's that 10 we carried over again. Actually, this would be it's 100 now, not a 10. Sorry, my bad, because 10 tens is 100. Come on, Mr. Short. You should know this. There's our 100 we brought over from our 100 we built here with the 10 tens. So when we added up 90 plus 10 over here and carried over and made 100, and there's that 100 there, like we have that 100 there. Then we have 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Same answer. Got them both right. Good job. On the back, partition each shape into fourths, then shade 1/4. So partition each shape into 4. That's what they mean by fourths. So make nice, even. This should look as good as you can. All right, try to make it the same. 4 nice equal parts here, 4 nice equal parts here, and then one of them you want to shade in with your pencil. All right, or crayon or something, if you feel like it. All right, that's it for today, guys. I hope that helped. Learn this place value chart. This will save you. This will make life so much easier. It's a little bit more work sometimes, and sometimes it takes a lot longer, but you're always going to get it right when you do it this way. All right. This is Eureka Math Squared, 2nd grade, Module 4, Lesson 7, pages 37, 38. I'm Mr. Short. You have yourself a good night.